Down at Thumpstar, this past information videos on handlebars. We have a variety of 3 handlebars here. We're going to show you some measurements and information on. We are missing a couple of handlebars, including our 250cc handlebar and also our Pro Taper handlebar, which are actually a bit higher than these ones. And the 250cc handlebar is actually a bit longer, has a slightly different height to it. But as you can see, the bottom handlebar, this is for our TSX and TSR models. It's a tapered handlebar. So what that means is it's actually a 1 inch diameter in the centre, then it tapers out to 7/8, so it can fit all your controls like your throttle and brakes. It's quite commonly used on motocross bikes because it's just being 1 inch down here makes it a lot stronger. So we'll give you some measurements on this tapered bar. So the width of the handlebar is 78 centimeters or 780 millimeters. The clamp area, so this is the area where you can bolt your 1 inch clamps, is about 15 centimeters. And then your sweep, this one's a bit harder to measure, but we've actually written it down earlier, but it's actually it's about 6 centimeters, the sweep. And then last of all is your height, which is quite hard to measure here, but we actually, like I say, we've done it earlier, and the height we worked out it's about 13 centimeters. So yeah, that's most of the measurements on our tapered bar. Definitely recommend using this one. It's a good strong bar made of aluminium, so it's nice and light. So yeah, keep an eye out for those ones. The next one we're going to talk about is our is a steel handlebar. So it's made of steel. It's also this tubing 7/8 of an inch all the way through, so it's not a tapered bar like the one before. This one's used on our sort of TSB 125, TSX LE models. So we'll give you the width of this one. So the width is 74 centimeters. The clamp area, so where you can bolt your clamps down, is about 12.5 centimeters. The sweep, which is a bit less than the one before, we measured it, it's 4.5 centimeter sweep. And then last of all, the height, which is about 15.5. If you go to the centre, if you go to the centre of the bar, it would be 13.5 to the centre of the bar. And yeah, that's about it for the medium-sized handlebar. Last of all is our TSB 110 bar, so it's pretty similar specifications to the tapered bar, it's just a bit not quite as wide. It's also made of steel. So the width of this handlebar is 68 centimeters. The clamp, so it's a bit less than the other ones, is about 11 centimeters. And then the sweep is the same as the other steel handlebars, about 4.5 centimeters. And then the height, it's hard to kind of say because it goes up, but about 12.5 centimeters the total height. So yeah, that's it on handlebars. I hope to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.